Hey everyone, welcome back to 8 Minute English on the Learn English podcast channel. I'm Nathan, and I'm super excited to have you here today. After all the love you've shown for our health-related episodes, I started thinking, what other activities can be just as beneficial as healthy habits? And then, just like that, a song started playing, and I felt so relaxed. That's when I knew we had to do an episode on this. Today, we're diving into the benefits of listening to music. We'll talk about how music affects our emotions, helps us focus, and even boosts our memory. And don't forget, there's a free PDF with all the key points from today's episode, so make sure to check it out in the description below.
Hey, Emily, you seem a bit down today. What's going on?
Oh, hey, Jake. Yeah, I've just been feeling really stressed lately. Work has been overwhelming and I haven't been sleeping well.
I get it. Sometimes it feels like everything is just piling up, right?
Exactly. I've tried everything reading, meditating, but nothing seems to help.
Have you tried listening to music? It always works for me when I'm stressed.
Music? I mean, I love music, but I never thought of it as a way to deal with stress.
Yeah, seriously. It's amazing how much music can affect your mood.
Really? How does it work for you?
Well, whenever I feel stressed or anxious, I put on some calming music. It helps me relax and forget about my worries for a while.
That sounds nice, but does it actually help in the long run?
Definitely. There's even research showing that music can reduce stress levels and improve sleep quality.
Wow, I didn't know that. I could really use something like that right now.
You should give it a try. Start with something calming, like classical music or even nature sounds.
That sounds good. But does it really work for other people too?
Absolutely. Let me tell you about a friend of mine. She was struggling with depression, and nothing seemed to help. Then she started listening to music, especially songs that made her feel positive and hopeful. Over time, it really made a difference.
That's amazing.
It's not just about feeling good, though. Music can also help you learn things better.
Really? How does that work?
Well, I've read that listening to songs in English can actually improve your language skills. It helps with pronunciation, vocabulary, and even understanding the rhythm of the language.
That's so interesting.
Yeah, and it's a fun way to learn too. I also know someone who uses music to focus better while studying. He says that classical music helps him stay calm and think clearly.
I've heard about that, but I've never tried it myself.
You should. It might be just what you need to get through these stressful times.
I think I will, Jake. Thanks for the advice. But to be honest, I'm a bit worried that music might distract me while I'm working.
That's a good point, Emily. Some people do find it distracting, but it depends on what kind of music you're listening to.
Really? What kind of music should I choose?
Try instrumental music or classical music with no lyrics. It helps you focus because there are no words to distract you.
That sounds like a good idea. I'll give it a try.
I'm sure it'll help, Emily. Just start with something soft and see how it works for you.
Thanks, Jake. I'm feeling more positive about this already.
Welcome back, everyone. Now, let's go over some key vocabulary from today's conversation. The first word is stress. Stress means a feeling of being worried or tense. For example, she feels a lot of stress at work. The second word is relax. Relax means to rest and feel calm. For example, he likes to relax by listening to music. The third word is focus. Focus means to pay attention to something. For example, she needs to focus on her homework. The fourth word is memory. Memory is the ability to remember things. For example, listening to music can improve your memory. The fifth word is instrumental. Instrumental refers to music without lyrics or words. For example, instrumental music can help you focus while studying. Now, before we wrap up, I've got some fun facts and a bit of research to share with you about music. Did you know that music has been used as a form of therapy for centuries? That's right. Music therapy is a real thing, and it's used to help people with all sorts of conditions, from depression to anxiety. And here's something even more fascinating. Did you know that music can also play a significant role in prenatal education? That's right. Studies suggest that playing soothing music to unborn babies can help with their brain development and create a sense of calm. It's amazing to think that even before we're born, music is already making a positive impact on us. And it doesn't stop there. For children, music can be a powerful tool for learning and emotional expression. Singing songs with simple lyrics helps kids build their vocabulary and understand language patterns. Plus, it's a fun way to learn. But what about older adults? Well, music is just as important for them. Research shows that music can help improve memory and even slow down cognitive decline in older adults. In fact, many elderly people find that listening to their favorite songs brings back memories and emotions from the past, making them feel more connected and alive. And here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that in some countries, music is so important that it's used in daily rituals and ceremonies? For example, in many African cultures, music is an essential part of community life, used for everything from storytelling to celebrating important milestones. Music truly is a universal language that connects us all no matter where we're from. And there's one more incredible benefit of music I want to share. Did you know that some hospitals use music to help patients recover faster? That's right. It's called music therapy, and it's been shown to reduce pain, anxiety, and even shorten the recovery time after surgeries. In fact, there's research from Harvard Medical School showing that listening to music can reduce stress levels and even lower your heart rate. Another cool fact is that music can also boost your immune system. Studies have shown that listening to upbeat music for just 15 minutes can increase levels of antibodies in your body. So, next time you're feeling down or stressed, remember that a little music might be just what you need. And don't forget, there's a free PDF with all the key points and vocabulary from today's episode available in the description below. Make sure to check it out. Thanks so much for joining me today on 8-Minute English. I hope you found this episode helpful and fun. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for our next episode. Until next time, keep enjoying the music and take care. Goodbye, everyone.